first problem. Like clouds break the sky, like stones soothe the cry of the immobilized, of the broken drives, shattered sighs, the cry.
Why does life force us to cry and die? Could live our life and sigh, sleep and eat and survive.
Cry, a cry we know, our cry, yeah, that cry, broke it down to the marrow, not ready to go, better, well here we go, time to drop from the river, those drowning souls.
But why does life force us to cry and die? To live our life and sigh, sleep and eat and survive.
The resonant caverns delay those cries, nonetheless through the floodgates they pound. This is the broken sound. This is the broken sound.